Trimming. What is trimming? Trimming is all about making small adjustments to stay in the best part of the wave and keep your speed. The better you're trimming, the longer your rides will be and the more control you'll have on every wave. It's simply flowing down the line and staying connected to the wave. 1. The basic trimming position. When surfers are trimming, they usually have most of their weight slightly forward on the board. Their front foot does most of the work, while the back foot stays relaxed and ready. The back foot only becomes the main focus when it's time for a bigger turn. When more weight is placed toward the front of the board, the rail engages with the wave more effectively, helping the board move forward with less effort. 2. Finding the right place on the wave. A big part of trimming is learning where to position yourself on the wave. Many beginners either go too far towards the shoulder or too close to the white water. The goal is to stay somewhere in between. Try to ride around the middle section of the wave face, close enough to the breaking part of the wave to use its energy, but not so close that the white water becomes difficult to control. If you move too far forward the shoulder, the wave becomes weaker and you'll start losing speed. If you stay too low near the bottom of the wave, you may get caught by the white water. If you climb too high on the wave, you can end up riding over the shoulder and out of the wave completely. The best place is usually near the pocket, where the wave still has power and shape. If you feel yourself getting too far ahead on the wave, shift a little more weight onto your back foot. This will slow you down slightly and help you reconnect with the stronger part of the wave. 3. Small adjustments, big difference. Trimming is really about making small movements. To climb slightly higher on the wave, gently shift more weight towards your inside rail. To move slightly lower on the wave, simply ease off that pressure. These adjustments should feel smooth and relaxed. Don't think about pushing hard with your feet. Instead, think about moving your body weight softly from one position to another and letting the surfboard respond naturally. Good trimming isn't about force. It's about balance, flow, and staying connected to the energy of the wave.
If this helped you, hit subscribe. We've got 100 more lessons just like this, from pop-ups to barrel riding. Link to the full written guide is in the description. See you in the next one.